Hi everyone. This demonstration is going to be on how to do lunge rotations. So you're going to come down to the ground and then get into a lunge stance. So the best way to get into a lunge stance that I found is to go from a high kneeling position on your toes, and then you step forward so that you can maintain this leg straight down from your torso and get this front shin 90 degrees to the ground. You want to try and make sure that your hips are even, so that you don't so that you don't have one hip kind of kicked up while you're doing this. It's pretty common, so if you're finding that you're having trouble keeping your pelvis even, you want to make sure you really think about sinking down the hip on that front leg and really squeezing with that glute. I'm just going to do it in this orientation because that's probably just as effective. So you're up nice and tall, squeezing in the abs, and then you're going to, you can either cross your arms, put them up here out to the side, wherever you want to have your arms for this. Doesn't really affect too much. You want to think about rotating your torso towards your standing leg, so really feeling that strong glute squeeze in that back hip. So squeezing and then come back and inhale and exhale, squeezing and really focusing on this being where you're rotating from. So you're driving and twisting your torso and then coming back. And then back. And again, right, you can have your hands wherever you want to. If you want them to be way up here, that's just going to kind of change the force in the upper body and get you a more stretch in the chest, which is not a bad thing, but the goal and focus of this is going to be for your hips. So whatever you want to do there. And if you like, you can even sit here for a bit and you can use your hand and kind of pull into that stretch and take some nice deep breaths. But you want to make sure that you're engaging glutes, core, trying to keep yourself nice and upright, because you don't want to lean and twist upright, and really rotating using that glute. And then make sure you do both sides, obviously, and maintain nice calm breathing while you're doing it.